Please. Right now, millions of people are turning their Facebook and YouTube accounts into steady income streams. And all they needed was their smartphone, nothing else. The good news is you can start too, right now as you watch me. And it's more affordable than you think, you guys. This video is going to be short, precise, but I know you'll get something out of it and will start making money. Facebook has over 3 billion active users and YouTube has more than 2.5 billion monthly users. Now come to think of it. You're going to do one video, put it on Facebook, the same video on YouTube in different ratios. You are targeting these 5.5 billion and all of them are going to be paying you at the comfort of your home. That means that your audience is already there, waiting for your content. You don't need big money to start, just consistency and the right strategy. Good morning. Welcome back to this mind-blowing video. This is your girl, the girl that says, I can't handle a smartphone and beg for bread. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial consultant. I'm not a financial guru. I'm a lady who has been using my smartphone and these two main social media platforms and earning money. Let's dive in and see what exactly, how can we begin with social media monetization on these two platforms. One, let's see how to begin with Facebook. On Facebook, you can monetize through reel ads, in-stream ads, brand deals, and even affiliate links. The trick is you have to post short, engaging reels and timely. When I say short, I mean like 30 to 60 seconds, those are reels. Because Facebook pushes them to a wider audience, even if you are new, post at least 1 to 2 reels. If you can even post 5. No one should ever lie you that if you post too much, if you post... No, I've come to do my research. Do as you wish, provided your audience can take it. So, what I need to put for you as a caption is to add, as a pro tip, it is to always add captions and always use hashtags that match your niche. One of the greatest challenges that I've seen on Facebook, most people, they use hashtags. As long as they see other big creators are using it, they use it. And this one can bring you a bit of behind. Now, the second platform that you can begin with is YouTube. On YouTube, beginners grow faster with YouTube Shorts. I think I even talked about it in my previous video. These short clips can reach thousands and millions of people, even if you've started today. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need to be an experienced girl in social media, no. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours or 10 million shorts views in 90 days, you qualify to monetize. You'll be a monetization girl or boy. Start with simple videos, tutorials, motivational content, lifestyle, and even like lifestyle hacks or even storytelling. This is what I can tell you guys. I can call it like an encouragement before I end this short video. You don't need perfection to start. You just need action. Use your phone camera. Use these free editing apps. You don't need to pay for them. Unleash your creativity. Everybody has creativity in his or her own way. Focus on value. Be consistent and growth will come faster than you expect. Many creators earning today started with zero experience, just like you. So whether you choose Facebook or Facebook or YouTube, remember this: your smartphone is your business tool and your content is your currency. Start today, stay consistent, and see your paycheck every month from social media. Every month from every social media platforms, and you can. This is really. Let me tell you this: you should go along with these two platforms, because whatever you post on YouTube is what you can post on TikTok, on Facebook. The only thing you need to know, like Facebook, what are the terms and conditions, what are the regulations, what are the rules, that's what you need to know. Then also Facebook, you need to know the resolution and other things. But otherwise, we are ready, and let's dive in and make this money. Don't forget, you guys, I offer masterclass services. You are the someone out there who's saying, Christine, explain for me. I don't get you when I watch your posts, but you're interested. Baby girl, gentleman, just DM me and say, I want you to give me a course. Take me through. If I take you through, you will just dive in and be pushed. And you learn what to do. Thank you very much. Like this video if you've not liked it. Share this video. Tell your friends about it. And see you in another video. Bye-bye.